Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. First, you will need to set up your Coinbase account. Begin by visiting the Coinbase website or downloading their mobile application. You will create an account using your email address and a strong, unique password. After that, verify your email and phone number. Finally, complete the identity verification process by uploading a government-issued ID. This crucial step ensures the security of your account and complies with financial regulations, typically taking just a few minutes to complete. Once your account is verified, the next step is to add a payment method. Coinbase offers several options, including linking a bank account, a debit card, or even a PayPal account. Linking a debit card often allows for instant purchases, though it might have slightly higher fees. Bank transfers, while usually having lower fees, can take up to 5 business days to clear. Be sure to check the specific deposit limits associated with each payment method before proceeding with your first deposit. With funds in your account, you are ready to purchase Bitcoin. On the Coinbase platform, navigate to the Buy/Sell section. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Then, enter the amount you wish to buy, either in your local currency or in Bitcoin units. Coinbase will display a clear breakdown of the purchase, including any fees. Carefully review all the transaction details, ensuring everything is correct before confirming your order with a single click. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin. Protecting your investment is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an extra layer of security. For larger amounts, many users choose to transfer their Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet, which offers offline storage and greater control. Regularly monitor your portfolio and stay informed about market trends. Remember, responsible investing involves understanding the risks and securing your assets diligently for the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.